Hello friends, I, Dhairya Bhatia, welcome you to my YouTube channel Maths DNA from origin to infinity. In this video, we are going to solve a question of reasoning and general aptitude. The question is why numbers 10, 7, 5, 4 and 2 are to be arranged in a sequence from the left to right following the directions given below. The first one is no two odd or even numbers are next to each other. Second one, the second number from the left is exactly half of the leftmost number. And the third, the middle number is exactly twice the rightmost numbers. Then which is the second number from the right? This question was asked in the examination of GATE 2019. The options are A 2, B 4, C 7 and D 10. Let us solve the question. Firstly, 5 numbers are given to us arranging them in ascending order. We have 2, 4, 5, 7 and 10. Now to solve this question, we will go statement from the third one. And here we have 2 odd numbers, that is 5 and 7, and 3 even numbers, that is 2, 4 and 10. The third statement says that the middle number is exactly twice the rightmost number. So we have two possible cases. First case, case A, when the first and the second number are unknown, but the third number is 10 and the last number is 5. It satisfies the given condition that the middle number is exactly twice the rightmost number. But here 3 places are still remaining and we have 1 odd and 2 even number left still, that is 2, 4 and 7. Now no matter what you do, you cannot make a combination such that we have 2 odd number and 2 even number not next to each other. So option A, that is case A, is not possible over here. So we go to the case B, that is when the first two numbers are unknown, the middle number is 4 and the rightmost number is 2. Now here the middle number is exactly twice of the rightmost number. This statement is satisfied. And the second statement is the second number from the left is exactly half of the leftmost number. So we get it as 10 and the 5. And now the remaining number, that is 7. Now the given sequence 10, 5, 4, 7 and 2 satisfies the first condition, that is no two odd or even number are next to each other. And therefore we found our required sequence, that is once again 10, 5, 4, 7 and 2. And now the required number, that is the second number from the right, and that is 7, which is option C. Thank you. And you can be a member of our social club and watch 190 plus videos on our YouTube channel and get a complete study material on our Telegram channel.